You're getting on from the wrong side, Delaney.
That's a selling point for me.
You ready?
What's that? Yeah, go ahead, get on. I got it going. Whoops. Chloe, you have tennis, or you have flip-flops on. Get away from the horse.
I know, I'm just waiting to turn on.
Now scooch up a little bit. Okay, now you're out in the sunshine there. It's kind of hard to see you. Here, yeah, I'll just move up. Phone never quits ringing, you know that?
We can take Grace and Reese on that.
Yeah, we could. Just bring them up to me and you can stop, and then go ahead and stop, you can slide off. That's enough video, I think. Everyone can see he's pretty good with kids, huh? Why don't you pick up his feet, Gracie?
Is that a sound?
I think so.
Mom,
Okay.
can I pick his feet?
Well, we don't have a hoof pick. Pick up his other one.
Yes, I do.
Well, not here.